Today we're talking about a kitchen essential that every home cook and baking lover needs: stand mixers. They're not just tools, they're game changers. Before we start, we have a small request. If you're new here, we're just starting out, and your support means everything. Help us grow by hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our journey. We're working hard to bring you the best more content. Let's look at the top 5 best stand mixers with New Year deals. Number 5. Ankar's Rum Original Stand Mixer. If you're passionate about baking or cooking, this mixer is going to change the way you work in the kitchen. Unlike traditional mixers, the Ankar's Rum uses a rotating bowl design instead of spinning attachments. The bowl itself moves while the attachments stay stationary. This unique mechanism ensures even mixing, no matter how heavy or light your dough is. Under the hood, the Ankar's Rum boasts a 600-watt motor, making it a true powerhouse. Whether you're kneading up to 15 pounds of bread dough or whipping delicate creams, it handles everything like a pro. But the magic doesn't stop there. This mixer is all about versatility. With a variety of attachments like dough hooks, whisks, and even add-ons like a pasta roller or meat grinder, it's more than just a mixer, it's your all-in-one kitchen assistant. Crafted in Sweden, the Ankar's Rum is built to last. Its durable materials and timeless design mean this is an investment you'll enjoy for years to come. If you're ready to take your baking to the next level, the Ankar's Rum Original Stand Mixer is your ultimate partner. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal Stand Mixer. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies, kneading dough for pizza, or preparing a fluffy cake, this stand mixer does it all, quickly, efficiently, and with ease. Let's talk about build quality. The Hamilton Beach Mixer is made with a heavy-duty, all-metal construction. Unlike many other mixers that feel flimsy or plasticky, this one feels solid and built to last. It's the kind of appliance you'll trust for years in your kitchen. Power and performance. With its 300-watt motor, this stand mixer easily handles heavy tasks like kneading bread dough or mixing thick batters. Plus, with 12 speeds, you can choose the perfect setting for everything from slow mixing to high-speed beating. Cleaning? No problem. The Hamilton Beach Mixer is easy to clean with removable accessories like the dough hook, whisk, and beater, all of which are dishwasher safe. So you get all the power without the cleanup hassle. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and powerful stand mixer, the Hamilton Beach Electric's all-metal stand mixer is an excellent choice. Number 3. Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. The Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. This mixer is more than just a pretty face in the kitchen, it's a game changer. First, let's talk power. With a 500-watt motor, this stand mixer can handle everything from kneading heavy dough to whipping up light meringue, all without breaking a sweat. Whether you're baking bread or making cakes, the Bosch Universal Plus does it all. And with its 6.5 quart capacity, you'll have plenty of space to mix large batches, perfect for big family gatherings or when you're prepping for a bake sale. One of the standout features of this mixer is the wire whips. These ensure perfect aeration every time, whether you're whipping cream, eggs, or making a fluffy mousse. If you're serious about your kitchen tools, the Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer is a must-have. It's efficient, powerful, and built to last. Number 2. Cuisinart Precision Master 5.5 quart stand mixer. The Cuisinart Precision Master 5.5 quart stand mixer. Whether you're an avid baker or just someone who loves to whip up a quick meal, this mixer is about to make your life a whole lot easier. First off, this mixer is a powerhouse. It comes with a 500-watt motor, which means it can handle everything from bread dough to delicate cake batters. And with a 5.5 quart bowl, you can make large batches without breaking a sweat. I mean, that's enough to make dough for 9 dozen cookies at once. Talk about efficiency. But here's the real beauty. It's designed for precision. Whether you need a gentle stir or a fast whip, it gives you 12 different speed settings so you can get your mixing just right. Plus, the attachments, you get a dough hook, flat beater, and a wire whip, so it's not just for mixing. You can use it to knead, whip, and even create pasta or sausage with additional attachments. So tell me, What's your go-to recipe when you're using a stand mixer? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to know. In short, the Cuisinart Precision Master 5.5 quarts stand mixer is a must-have for any kitchen. It's powerful, versatile, and will save you tons of time. If you want to level up your cooking game, this is the mixer to have. First things first, this stand mixer is a total powerhouse. With a 325-watt motor and 5-quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for everything from mixing dough to whipping up a quick batch of cookies. And the best part? It can handle large batches. You can make enough for the whole family or even prepare dough for 9 dozen cookies. How awesome is that? What I really love about the KitchenAid Artisan is its 10-speed settings, giving you control over everything from slow mixing to a high-speed whip. Plus, the tilt head design makes adding ingredients so much easier. No mess, no stress. This mixer's built to last, with a solid all-metal construction that's as stylish as it is functional. It comes in a variety of colors too, so you can match it with any kitchen vibe. Overall, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking or baking. It's reliable, powerful, and will make your kitchen experience so much easier. But wait, before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and let me know in the comments if you've ever faced specific challenge related to our topic. I love reading your thoughts, and I always reply.